Kene jingpen pendapat ba syabarok kinong shongshong jong ka state Meghalaya khamtam ya kitu ki paj ba ki ba junya ya ki two wheelers lane ki arshaka sangat manengan pule ya kene ka advertise lane ka notification. It has been observed that while parent and guardian riding two wheelers often wear helmets, children riding as pillion passenger or standing in front are frequently left without any head protection. These expose them to serious risk of injury or fatality in the event of an accident. In the interest of child safety, Shillong Traffic Police strictly urge all parents and guardians ferrying children on two-wheelers to ensure that their child wear a helmet. Failure to comply will result in penalties as per the provisions of the Motor Vehicle Act. Your cooperation is essential in safeguarding your lives on the road. Let us work together for a safer Shillong. Hakane ka jingpun bana la pentipaj ba kamtam ya kinongnya arsaka lomba ka Shillong Traffic Police banyada ya ke jingji accident lane ka jing ma jing bansau ya la ki jong ki khun ki kti ha kapor bang le jingle lomba ka arsaka namar ki babun ki kmi ki pa lane ki bahing hasem la da pikit ya ki khun pi phong topmo lane pi phong ya ka helmet tang yala jong andre ya ki khun pat ngim pat jupun phong kat hadu mata di nakatakadaw nagaliang jong ka STP lane Shillong Traffic Police kalapan penapa ba nang ne sakman banyadaya ki jingban saw jong ki khun ki kiti jongi lane ki jingji accident ya ki khun ki kiti ni dei ban pentikana ban phong ya ki helmet lada ngikit ya ki khun jongi la ka dei hadin ne lada ngi penyang hakman kata ya gini ki nongnya ya gini ki arshaka di kino kino ki banyak ya ki arshaka ki bom pediang ya kani ka jing ajungmut jong ka STP kin ngat ha kani ka Provision of Motor Vehicle Acts lane kin hab ban sha fine lane kin le da kono kono kaliti di nakata kadaw u SP jong ka Shillong Traffic Police u la khotlang ya baro ki nongsong snong jong ka state Meghalaya ban ya trailang khnang ban wanra ya ka bha kamiat khamtam ban lai na gi jing jia bas ngosi ha ka por bangi ra lane bangi le jing le da ki ar shaka